Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, today we learn about third word of Ray family, and the third word is Z. Z say zebra. Z say zebra. Z say zebra. Z say zebra. Next word is Z say zanjeer. Z say zanjeer. You may call chain. Z say zanjeer. Z say zanjeer. Z. Next word is Z say zarafa. You may call giraffe. Z say zarafa. Z say zarafa. Z say zarafa. Z say zarafa. Z. Next word is Z say zardi. Z say zardi. You may call yak. Z say zardi. Z say zardi. Z. And the last word is Z say zaitoon. Z say zaitoon. Z. Z say zaitoon. Z say zaitoon. Z say zaitoon.